Coming in at 28 feet, 8 inches in length, seatbelts for 6, sleeping for 4. This is the 2025 Chateau 27P. Hi, Steve from Thor Motor Coach. I want to start outside because there is so much cool stuff to show you. Let's start right here. Cool thing number 1. 12-volt cooler. You can use this as a freezer. That'll plug in right there. Look at all of the space you have in there. You can carry everything you need with you. What's awesome is this shelf flips up, holds into place, and you can really dig in deep. You go to that little town that has that homemade ice cream, buy a quart to take home, put it in there. You can totally do it. Tankless hot water on board. That's your fresh water fill while we're out here. Right here, exterior hose, so you come back from the beach, the kids are all sandy. You don't want them tracking that sand into your 27P. No! Plug this in, spray them off. No sand inside, no one gets in trouble. Love this. Another cool thing to go along with the cooler, check this out. Massive slide-out tray here. You have a griddle. Blackstone griddle. This is going to be your 17-inch Blackstone. Get this all seasoned up. This will actually plug into your exterior propane connection right down here. So now you have cold drinks in the cooler. You have smash burgers going, grilled cheese, whatever it is you want to do on here. 9 pancakes or 22 hot dogs. I'm going with the 22 all beef hot dogs. You load them up with some chili, right? Some onion, a little spicy mustard, relish if you're sassy. Have yourself a good old chili dog. Actually, one of my favorite meals. Chili dogs, Cheetos, and a glass of whole milk. Sounds disgusting. It's fantastic. You try it. Nice rotocast bay right here. This is not going to mold. It's not going to mildew. It's not going to get that base stank you do not like. Throw all of those sandy beach toys in here. And then when you get home, you can hose this out and you're ready to go next time. Maybe after you cook up those chili dogs, or maybe it's breakfast. Breakfast is always good on a griddle. You cannot beat bacon on a griddle. Have breakfast outside. We're under the awning right now. You can put this out with the touch of a button. There's an LED strip. So imagine sitting here with the family having breakfast. Maybe you're watching the morning forecast to see what the weather's going to be for the rest of the day for your excursion. Smart TV, so if there's a show you've been binge watching and you don't want to miss it while you are on vacation, you can watch it right here. Just get connected to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, and now you can watch anything you want, no matter where you happen to go. And you have a couple of 110 plugs right there. Maybe there's something else you want to go with with breakfast in the morning. Let's head inside. Lots to show you up here. I want to show you how to set up this 27P real fast. Okay, so this is going to be your touch and go control system. This is a touchscreen radio. Everything you need is in here, from your backup camera, Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, some settings, and your touch and go, right? So check your tank levels, put out your slide, emergency start, turn on your tank heaters, turn on your water pump, 4,000 watt gas generator on here. Dial in all the settings for the auto gen start. There's also a button on the door, which is nice. You can check your tank levels from there and press the button just to get that auto gen start set. Up front, all the things you need: heated remote mirrors. You have a nice thumb pad over here that can pull up the backup camera at any point you want. There are also side view cameras, so you can keep either of those, any of them on at whatever time you want during your trip, which is nice. HVAC cup holders, the seats swivel and become part of your living area. Over the cab bunk right here, the ladder stores in the closet. We'll show you. So somebody's going to get sleeping up here. 800 pounds of capacity, 100 watts of solar on board, and 7 feet of ceiling height in here. So plenty of room to move, and you just slip right on in to the Dream Dinette. 2 child safety tethers out back, seatbelts here for the ride. There's wireless charging right back here, cup holders for the ride. The settings button we saw on the dash radio, control the speakers here, so whoever is here can listen to your favorite cruising jams. Button here for the lights, large cabinets right up above. Lots of storage in here too. Check out this campsite kitchen. Look at all of the storage. Cabinet here, however you want it. You know, maybe you put a coffee maker here. Maybe you put that as a pantry or dishes, whatever you want to do, store away. Lots of space down here. There's a wastebasket, 4 drawers there. Pop-up outlet right here in the back with USB-A and USB-C ports. 3-burner gas cooktop with a glass cover. Oven in your 27P. Make sure your propane is on for that. You're also going to need that ProClean on for your heat and your hot water. Very large 12-volt fridge too. Fridge and freezer hold everything you need for your meals outside. A lot of outdoor cooking and a lot of outfits too, right? Bring anything in there. Look at this. Adjustable shelves in the back, hanging space, 4 doors down below, massive, massive wardrobe on your 27P. Let's head into the dual purpose area. Right now we have this set up and just kick back in front of the fireplace. Maybe it's a crisp morning. That actually throws out some heat, so you can use that as a space heater. Smart TV back here. There's storage behind the TV. There's storage up top, massive closet up here. Then there'll be 2 closets as we head into the bathroom, but I want to show you this first because this is a great, comfortable living area, but this is also your Murphy bed. A couple of cushions here. You're just going to move those out of the way, and then you're going to pull down your levers, flip out the support, and now you have a Murphy bed. Lights up top, 3 cabinets, USB charging, wireless charging over there. You have some more ports down below. And then when you leave the bed looking like this, like I do in the morning, because making it is hard work. I'd rather be out frying some bacon on the griddle. You just pop that into place, put the support back, cushions go right back here. And now you are back into comfort mode. And finally, I want to take you into this rear bath. Talked about 2 more closets. Large closet here. Large closet here. Massive amount of storage in there. Medicine cabinets right here. Sink with storage down below. You have your porcelain toilet, your shower, skylight, hooks for your robes and towels, controls for your tankless hot water. Back here as well. Everything you need for great trips happen right here. This is the 2025 Chateau 27P for all of the features, all of the specs, and the MSRP. Build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.